Hey folks, I'm opening a 1990 Flair package to see what kind of buried treasure may have found Jose Uribe air card. It's worth like 1,000 money. Right now, the Flair from 1990 is worth a lot of money right now. The Hall of Famer, but I'll let you know what it looks like from front, backside. I think they were born in Russia or Sweden or something. George Bill. He was kind of hot hit, but he was fun to watch. You watch MPTV back in the day, back in the 90s, when they have like their softball. This guy was interesting. He wacky character. Anyway, the jabs guy like that. So far, got the checklist. So far, it's a dream. Maybe he used to be the Braves. Actually, he scored the winning against the Braves. This guy was a speed demon. Very type Ben's Cole. Too bad he did some really stupid things. But no, actually, it was 1990. Was it 1990 again? 1989. So, see if we find some cards. So I got a Hall of Famer here. That's kind of cool. No. Nothing really much to talk about. 1990. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. This really, once again, you know what I mean. He had an event. He had a decent career during his time. I found no, that's really measuring with these cards. Well, let me know what you like and subscribe. I can't really know they have these players anyways. You know what I mean? I don't know this guy. Can't talk about much him. I think it's Van. So let me know, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. We'll go from there. Thank you for watching.